for our Hello, this is Allison with Arizona Science Center for our Early Learning Live this morning. And we seem to be having some technical difficulties. Oh, we are good to go. Just kidding. Good morning again. So today, thank you for joining us. We're here every morning at 9:30 doing different learning activities tying STEM and literacy. And today we are going to be talking about butterflies. So I'm here in my backyard, so enjoying some time outside. I hope everyone at home is enjoying some time outside as we are all staying socially distant and staying safe. So if you do have a place outside that you can go, has anyone ever seen a butterfly? What did that butterfly look like? Where did you see that butterfly? I know I've seen some butterflies flying around my backyard. I've seen some in this tree. It's in my neighbor's yard, technically. It's flying around. They're really beautiful, and they come in all different types. So we're going to read a little story to start. It's called Waiting for Wings by Lois and Hart. Now, looking at this cover, what predictions could we make? What do we think this story could be about? Now, as I'm looking at the cover, I see some flowers. I see some butterflies. I see very bright colored flowers and a very bright colored butterfly. I wonder what this story could be about. So we have those predictions in our head. Let's read and find out if those predictions were correct. Waiting for wings. Out in the field, eggs are hidden from view. Eggs hidden from view. Do we see any eggs in this picture? They sure are hard to find, probably because they're hidden. Clinging to leaves with butterfly glue. I have a hint, so maybe these are butterfly eggs? Let's read more and find out. Soon, caterpillars hatch. They creep and they chew. Each one knows what it must do. Can we find any caterpillars in this picture? How many caterpillars can we find? I see 1, 2, 3, and 4. See any caterpillars that maybe I missed? Has anyone ever seen a caterpillar in real life? Anyone know what a caterpillar eats? I see some holes in these leaves, which might be a good clue. Find a place where winds don't blow. So these caterpillars appear to be moving. I see them moving up these plants. Very interesting. Body and wings take shape within. It's time each case is torn. Oops, sorry guys. I skipped a page, sorry guys. So, then make a case in which they grow. Caterpillar changes now begin. So sorry guys, so it looks like I missed this page where they are forming a cocoon. Body and wings take shape within. When it's time, each case is torn. So now these cocoons are tearing. Why would these cocoons be tearing? I wonder, what could be coming out of these cocoons? Has anyone ever seen a cocoon? Wings unfold, new butterflies are born. So these butterflies hatch from the cocoon. So we have these butterflies. They started as eggs, they turned into caterpillars, and they grew into these beautiful butterflies. They pump their wings, get ready to fly. Then hungry butterflies head for the sky, looking for flowers with nectar to eat. So I see these beautiful butterflies, said looking for flowers with nectar to eat. So it seems that these butterflies eat nectar. They catch a whiff of something sweet. They follow that fragrant scent of perfume. Until they find our garden in bloom. We've been waiting for wings. So that title from the beginning, Waiting for Wings. So who in the story was waiting for wings? Must have been these butterflies. We watch them circle, land on their feet. Did you know butterflies have feet? They do. They have little feet on their bodies. Unroll their tongues and begin to eat. So who Who remembers what the butterflies eat? What were they looking for? So they eat nectar. So they actually have these really cool tongues that unroll that they can use kind of like straws to drink the nectar from the plants. They're really cool. They dip and they sip, then fly away back home to the fields. They have eggs to lay. The end. And so this is a page with just some beautiful butterflies. So we know butterflies come in all different shapes and sizes. We have lots of different butterflies. Did anyone notice as we were looking at these butterflies what colors they were? So we saw butterflies in yellows with some red and green. Did they look similar at all to the flowers that they were drinking from? So when an animal blends into its surroundings, we call that camouflage. So we're going to be looking at some butterfly camouflage today and some other animals that camouflage. So first we have some pictures down here that we're going to look at. So these 4 pictures each have animals that camouflage in them. So if we look at this one right here, so butterflies aren't the only animals that camouflage. Others do too. So this is an animal in the sea. Can anyone find it in this picture? So we're going to see there's an animal right here. Now down here we have animal in the Arctic. So there is actually a few birds in this photo. So we have a bird right here and a bird right here. Then we have another animal over here that is camouflaged in to look like a rock, when really over here it is a bear. And then our last one, we have a reptile that's blending in that really is a good one in my opinion. I had trouble finding it at first. It's hidden in the bark of this tree. So animals have really great camouflage that help them blend into their surroundings. And when we look at butterflies, many butterflies camouflage their surroundings as well. So I have all these different beautiful butterflies on the table. You know, these are all different examples of different ones that live in nature. You know, some of these look like they could camouflage. So if we look at this one, what kind of surrounding could it camouflage to? What colors? Maybe some browns. I'm going to put it on my browns over here. It's going to blend in to its surrounding. But if I look at this blue butterfly, is this blue butterfly going to blend in here? No, not very well. So sometimes butterflies also have, and other animals have really bright colors because they don't want to blend in. This butterfly is going to be poisonous to animals that are trying to eat it. So it is brightly colored as a danger, danger, don't eat me kind of situation. So this one, not going to blend in, really going to stand out. So you have other examples of butterflies. So let's look at a green one. Is the green butterfly going to blend into a brown pine cone-like background? Probably not, but it might do a better job blending in to some green plant-like backgrounds. So the different habitats that butterflies live in help determine what kind of camouflage they're going to need to survive. Now, whether you have a lush green backyard, or if you want to just design a butterfly to camouflage into your house, we have a fun butterfly camouflage activity that you guys can try at home. I am not an excellent drawer, so I printed out some butterfly outlines online. However, you are welcome to sketch your own butterfly. You can also trace a butterfly. Then I encourage you, once you have that butterfly, think about a place in your house that you could camouflage it to. So, I could camouflage this flower, or this butterfly, maybe to the wall behind me. Or I could camouflage it to the color of the paint in my living room. So I have a wall that's purple and a wall that's gray, so I can make my butterfly half purple and half gray. If I wanted to blend into this wall, maybe I'd color my butterfly a nice brown. I have some fun examples that others have helped me with. So this, someone designed this butterfly to blend in with pine cones. So they colored their butterfly to camouflage in to the pine cones. This butterfly was designed by a friend to camouflage into a pillow that they had. So they made a special butterfly to camouflage to their pillow. So I encourage you all to explore the wonderful, fun world of camouflage. Design some cool butterflies that you can put up around your house. You can even test each other. See if you can design a butterfly and hide it in your house where no one in your family could find it. So thank you all for joining me this morning as we talked about butterflies and butterfly camouflage and enjoyed the story, Waiting for Wings. We're here every morning at 9:30 a.m. on Facebook Live for different early learning activities. You can also check out more activities that are updated weekly at azscience.org. Thank you. Have a great day.